So you guys, like I said, we are going to do a movie night, and we are here to shop in Walmart. I'm with the kids. They are here. So three, like this is so expensive for you guys since three, and this is the tray. See how it look like.
No, Daddy, what about you?
So we're going to buy that and something we can put our things. Let me see this one too. Something we can put all our things. Look at this one. Things we'll be eating. Look at this one. So I'm going to buy this
Pizza? Pizza?
for the things we'll be doing.
Pizza?
For some snacks now. Yeah. So yeah. Smell the candy. Wow, look at the pot. Look at this pot.
Are you gonna buy that?
I need a pot. So another buy candle. Watermelon?
Yeah.
Is that what you want?
I don't know.
Take pick it if that's what you want. Or you want something else?
I'll just do juicy watermelon.
Juicy watermelon.
Yeah, this is pink.
Let me have a
I love
smell of it. Open it.
Eat the candle!
It's a candle.
Yeah. It smells good.
It smells good.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's just take that one.
No, we're not taking that one.
Put it
That-
down. Put it
we
down.
already
Everybody
got
sit down.
one.
No, we got
Okay,
one already.
then.
We got one. This is a
Mama,
one.
Mama.
Okay, let's go and buy some snacks. No, it's not a frame. Let's go. Then we need to. Wait, sit down, everybody. Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down, Daniel. Dominia, good job. You're sitting down. Have it.
That's we need some stuff. Talking like my husband, Daddy. This is where Daddy bought the clock.
Oh yeah, you got the food there.
We need some. No, mommy. What else do we need? Oh, let me check on my list.
Hey guys, so I just finished cooking vegetables since morning. It's been a long time cooking, so I'm so happy I achieved it. So the kids are eating. I'm eating eba and some vegetables. The man is eating eba and vegetable. The man like eba and okra. Daniel like eba and okra. So I'm going to be eating that. Then you guys see the vegetable I cooked. So I have the recipe on my channel for you guys. So this is the vegetable I cook. It's a big one, big pot, kale and spinach. This is what I have there. Beef, shrimps, some gizzard, and some other things. Yeah. So that's all I have there. So let me just eat and we'll continue other things here. I've already marinated my beef for so we'll be doing the portion I'm eating. Yeah, you guys eat your food. Preparing for the dinner date. So I'm making some puff puff, although there's no use in this puff puff. You guys, I showed you in my life also how I do this. If you still want me to make a separate recipe, let me know. So I've already fried the first batch and I've packed all the vegetables. Yeah, so just prepping now. You can see that some things are going on. I did a lot of cooking today. Tomorrow I won't do anything for the rest of some days. But for my life, because I make live videos, I'll be preparing something on Friday, something simple. I'll be preparing something on Monday, something simple, I mean. Oh, I'm praying for new set of board. There's some fruits. I'm already preparing it for our board. These are some fruits I'm still preparing, and I'm going to make suya. I'm going to put the suya in the oven now. I've already marinated it. I also have suya recipe because it's so fast, you guys. It's really fast. So I've already did some portion. You guys can see that. Can you see? I've did some portion. So I want to bring out the beef I marinated. Suya. Yeah, I'm making some gizzard dodo. Yeah. Yes, I just freshen up. I'll be arranging the things now. You guys can see it's already late. Yeah. So my husband is still. My husband is still at work. I will bring out everything I prep. I'm going to be using this. So this was the tray I bought.
The table?
Like a tray table.
Like a small table. So like
I'll be arranging our things there. And our fruits will be there. Putting them now. Small, yeah.
can I help you?
So
Mama.
you guys, just like that. And my fruits.
What?
Guys, I'm almost done setting these things up. So you guys, this is our popcorn holder. So we're going to put popcorn here. Yes, baby. I'm going to write movie night here. Sit down, you guys. Open it. Don't open it. This is carrot, it's celery. This is gizzard and some pepper. I have some cashew nuts here because we love cashew nuts. I have suya, you guys. So these are the rest of the things. Cup for the kids. They have their different cup. A plate. We'll be eating together as a family. And this is for I and my husband. We have 2 here. And I wrote dinner night. This is our popcorn stuff. I've already done the popcorn. This is for design. So you guys, I'm done doing everything for tonight. I am done. We have all the stuff we'll be using.
I got Daniel's one.
Movie night. Don't touch it. Movie night. I didn't make a movie night to be bad actually.
No.
I have candle, but I didn't buy what's it called, lighter. We have a candle and our TV to wash our stuff, and our blanket is here. The kids, they're just excited. They're so excited.
Let's put it on the floor so that we can see.
So the blanket is here for them. So we are here. We did some crafts. Everybody was involved. My husband, the boys. Yeah, my little boy was cleaning his hand. So we got all these things from Walmart. The craft things that we used. And as you guys can see, I prepared some food. It's just for us to have a relaxing moment and to create this memory, this beautiful memory. Yeah, they are looking forward to another one because it was so beautiful. It was a beautiful day for us. We've been having movie nights, but this one came so unique and beautiful.
Connectivity you depend on, the deals you want, and the service you deserve. I think that logo or will make it right.
Simple, Stuart. With 2 irresistible scents coming together, you can't help but dance. Oh wow, that's fresh. You can take the scent booster. More scent, more joy.
That's
Your
inside.
scalp. Yeah, the one under all this dry hair. sensitive and dried out allergens. With 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic
I
acid,
want
it works
a
without disrupting the barrier. One wash, feel up to 72 hours of hydration. Our hair is 10 times
Everybody
smoother.
comes
The
to
feeling,
cheers.
Cheers, Dominion, cheers.
and not weighed
Cheers,
down.
Dominia, come here.
CeraVe Gentle
Cheers.
Hydrating Hair Care, reinvented with dermatology.
Mom, a week. Dad, a week. A week. A week.